In this video, we will learn how to make wedding card envelope using Microsoft Word. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. First of all, let's go to page color and select color. Then go to layout and select narrow margin. Go to orientation, select landscape. Go to size, go to more paper size, width 10 cm and height 4.5 cm. Then OK. Go to design, go to page border, select this border, also select this color, then OK. Go to insert, click on picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select this and insert it. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. By doing this, you can move the picture anywhere on the slide, anywhere on the page. Make the size 0.8 cm. Go to color and select this color. Move to this corner, duplicate it 3 times, rotate it and move all 3 different corners. Go to insert, click on picture, select this and insert it. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. Go to insert, click on shape, select text box, drag it. Go to shape fill, select no fill. Shape outline, make it no outline. Use Google Translator for Marathi font. You can use your language here. Copy and paste it here. Select and increase the font size. Change the font. Also change the font color. Go to insert, click on picture, select this and insert it. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. Go to color and select this color. Make the size 0.8 cm. Select and duplicate the text box. Paste the name. Go to insert, click on picture, select this and insert it. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. Go to color and select this color. Make the size 1.7 cm. Select and duplicate the text box. Paste the day and date here. Reduce the font size and make it bold. Go to insert, click on picture, select this and insert it. Make the size 1.4 cm. Go to color and select this color. Click on right button, select in front of text from wrap text. Select these 3 and then align center. Duplicate the text box again and add the address information here. So guys, see how quickly your envelope is ready. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. Thank you.